Hello, welcome, and assalamu alaikum. Our today's session is very important if you are worried about using the computer. We will discuss a very important topic of tech world, and I will try to tell you the major shortkeys which we are using in our daily routine life. And if we know the major shortkeys, we can make our life easy and smart. So let's come and we will try to learn regarding major shortkeys. There are many major shortkeys of your keyboard and which we are using in our daily routine life, and there is one main key which is called control key. This control key will help you for all the keys, for all other keys. Okay, for example, if you want to copy the data, or so you need to press control key plus C. So once you will press control plus C, your data will be copied, and the same data if you want to paste on another page or another place, so you need to press the same control plus V, your data will be pasted. And the next one, if you don't want to paste the data and you don't want to copy the data, you just want to cut the data, so you need to press control X. Once we will press control X, the data will be cut. The next one is very major keys: undo and redo. If you want to undo your data, so you need to press control Z, your data will be undo. And the same for the redo, we need to press control plus Y. So let's here I will define you what is control undo and redo. The undo function is used to reverse a mistake, such as deleting the wrong words in a sentence. The redo function restore any action that were previously undone using an undo. The next one, if you want to select the data or select all the data, so you need to press control A. Once you will press control A, so your all data will be selected. And for example, if you want to check your words in a bigger size, so or you want to zoom the data, so you need to press control plus there is one sign button plus. Once you will press control and another plus button, plus minus multiply, so you need to press plus button, so the data will be zoomed. And the same for the zoom out, or if we want to check the small words, so we need to press control and the other one minus. Once we will press the minus, the data will be reduced and the words size will be reduced. And another sense, if we want to check our words in a bold size, so we need to press control plus B. Once we will press control plus B, the data will be bold. Okay, and for example, if we want to move from one tab to another tab, or we want to switch the program, for example, we are working in one window and we want to move, so we need to press alt plus tab. Once we will press alt plus tab, we can switch the window, we can move from 1 to 2. And the same one, if we want to open the new page, so we need to open the new page, we need to press control plus N. And for example, if we need to open a new tab, so we need to press control plus T. For example, the next one, if we need to reopen a closed tab, so we need to press control plus shift plus T. All together, once we will press, so our reopen closed tab will be reopened. And another one, if we want to underline the data, we need to press control plus U, the data will be underlined. Or if we are searching any specific word, so no need to search all the things, we need to press just only control plus F. So here we can write the word, the specific word, so we can go on the same word. In this, these are the main and regular using short keys of the system. If we will know this, we can make our life smart. And I think that this was the overview of short keys of computer, and I hope you understand the new concept of the computer. Please subscribe the channel for more informative video, and thank you so much and stay blessed.